They've been making wax at a British refinery for 90 years, supplying body parts to Madame Tussauds and snow wax for the Harry Potter films. It's a traditional process, heating up the vats to 100 degrees. But today's wax sausage is destined for a very modern purpose, forming the heart of a new gadget designed to cut your fridge's energy use. It's connected to the fridge's thermostat. Inside, there's some wax. Now this mimics the quality of food, thus giving a better indication of how cold the actual items in your fridge are.
We're imitating food, so it only switches on when the food temperature demands it.
So it's coming on less?
It comes on, yeah, typically reduces from about 12 times an hour, starting up to about 4.
Here on the embankment at the Riverbank Plaza, they've installed 160 in every fridge and cold room.
We've got about 18 various sized fridges and freezers. We're saving approximately £180, £186 a month on their particular fridge.
The Plaza was spending £750,000 on electricity a year, but changing lighting programmes fitting energy-saving bulbs is saving them about 13% on that.
We're saving approximately £17,000 off our annual electricity bill. That's equates to about 30% of our refrigeration costs. It generates more business for us. Corporate business nowadays are looking for more energy-aware companies to take their business too.
Fitting one to every industrial fridge could save 1 million tonnes of carbon a year. And despite initial scepticism, several leisure chains and now supermarkets are conducting full-scale trials. Andrew Winstanley, BBC London News.